Hey everyone, this tinsel wreath is one of my favorite DIYs for an easy, cute, and affordable mid-century modern Christmas. You just need a wreath form, scissors, glue, garland, and ribbon. Today I'm trying Aleene's Tacky glue, which is like a thicker version of Elmer's. It's non-toxic and it's supposed to be good for Styrofoam. Squeeze a zigzag of glue onto the wreath form and let it air dry for about 30 seconds. This helps the glue set up and dry faster. Then attach the end of a piece of garland to the wreath form, wrap it around a couple times, and hold it down to let the glue dry. Continue gluing this way several inches at a time, wrapping and gluing the garland all the way around the wreath. When you get to the end of a piece of garland, glue and hold it down to let it dry. Then attach a new piece of garland and continue around the wreath. Overall, this glue worked really well. It dried pretty quickly and held the garland securely in place, and I only got a few little pieces of garland stuck to my fingers in the process. Once you make it around the wreath, cut off whatever you don't need from the garland and glue the end piece down securely. After the glue dries, you can tie up the wreath with any color of ribbon and hang it on the door. I made this retro tinsel wreath for Christmas, but I love that it's easy to swap out the ribbon for any holiday or occasion. Happy holidays!